So I want to state something about the current price movement of gold. And when you look at it critically, let's take these charts off for clarity's sake. This is 4 hours time frame. 4 hours break of structure is one of the strongest that you will hold when you are looking out for the correct price action. Now you can see something here that the sell at 2,697 was on 4 hours time frame structure, and we have a 4 hours break of that structure. The 4 hours candle broke the structure, return back as a retest candle is buying. So most likely SAU will continue to go up when they cut in that wave, most likely. Now this is what I see, that we have a neckline here at the double top structure that sent price at this level. So you begin to see a potential um, sell opportunity at 211, 211, 210. That's where you should think of selling extra 100 pips from where price is at the moment. Most likely that will happen. And to buttress my point, we also have another breaker structure from this level, which you will also see that price is doing all it could to see if it can reach that level. But where it is now, it can respect the structure and sell out. It can't respect the structure, but there's a conflicting evidence because there's a 4 hours close. And this trade was based on confluence, and that confluence has been broken. Now, allowing trade now to remain only on one data, and that is not enough to generate a sell idea. That's not enough reason. At this level, we have a strong break of structure at this level. We have here 4 hours demand floor, break of a demand floor, price came here, retest, break of a supply roof, price returns here as a demand floor, break of a demand floor, price returns here and retest. An important pivotal moment in this analysis and the psychological ascending trend line. So what I see here is that market may continue to oscillate between this level to, you know, up to 95 level, but most definitely there is break of structure. I want to be very honest. There's a 4 hours break of structure, a 4 hours break of a supply roof. So a 4 hours break of a supply roof is technically waging the price, indicating that buyers want to close the day above 2,700 mark. This is what the structure is saying. So when I saw it, I said, no, I cannot keep this thing. I can't keep it. I have to share it. So that if you are thinking of selling, then be very careful about that idea. Now let's look at it again. Look at, you can see that on this roof, this is the final touch on 4 hours close, the body of a candle. And when price came, we respected it, and that was why we sold from 2,700 level and we returned it to 2,677. And that has done well for us yesterday. And you see price again rallied. That structure was respected. But you see that around 2200 that structure was broken and price came back on retest and have got back. So what are they trying to do? They are trying to hit 2711. 2711 is where you should be looking out for your sell again. And I have a long-term structure which I also posted for free. Why do I post charts for free? One day I will explain it, why I make free posts. It's not like I like to do it, but I'm just doing it for a reason best known to me. Because one day I'm going to explain it. I know this costs a lot of money. Sending free idea costs thousands of dollars, but it's not appreciated. You know, but we are doing it because we want to master the market. So we don't think it's going to be forever. So this is what we have now. So in this case now, you see that the buyers are pulling this market up, and the next confirmation that affirms that level as a next sell zone will be from this price action where we have here supply roof, we have here a retest supply roof become demand, and on technical The market is well structured, so indicating that your new sell zone is going to be in 2711. So be very careful selling from this zone. Your stop loss is going to be hit. And all those your influencers who are agents for brokers, they are going to lead you to doom. The market has already broken structure here. It has already broken structure. And this kind of character, I will also point out how gold also adopt this kind of character. This kind of character was also adopted here. That was why we predicted 2656, 57, and you can see that price action at that level. In fact, it's exactly at the same level. It's giving you a warning sign. I clone this structure and I return here, and it gives you that buy. So this becomes a value, and the zone has been left. So market is trading on a new zone. So ultimately, what you should begin to see, since we have a valid price action, you can be seeing sale at 2,711. Then the next one is going to be a completion of this zone where we expect sellers to kick in at is 2,720. So ultimately, what I see is that you put your sell order at this level, 2,711. 2,711 will drop price exactly from that level to come down here. Will give you over 150 pip drop at that level. We price breaker from this structure. There's a very high probability because of break of structure in 4 hours. 4 hours candle close and confirmation. I've looked at it critically and I will tell you again there's a 4 hours close. And to further confirm it, this current 4 hours will close in about 1 hour 19 minutes. There is no probability that this candle will retrace completely. But however, if this 4 hours candle closes below this line, then it's a bearish move. If the candle closes below this, then it will sell down. It will sell down completely to this level. So this is how it works. It will sell down completely to that level. And if that happens, then it's going to be an alignment with the price action at this level. It might even align up to this level. It might align up to this level. It might align up to this level. Yeah, because this is a 4 hours body close. There's difference between week close and body close. 4 hours body close and 4 hours week of a body close is not the same. The one that holds a stronger price action is the body of the candle and not the wicks. I could have using these 2 weeks, but I want to use the body of the candle. And that is why you have seen price action at this level, creating a demand floor, creating a demand floor, creating a demand floor. Price will ultimately return here and shoot you up. But what I see here is that there's a break of structure on 4 hours. That is 4 hours break of a body candle. And at that level, you have seen price establish a very strong price action at this level. A strong price action at this level, another strong price action at this level, another strong price action. And there is a breakout which was also rejected. It was rejected because we have an ascending trend line, which is also a strong psychological trend line that also features the body of a candle. It's not just wicks, it's the body of the candle that was trapped at that zone, the blue zone. We have a break of structure here, a body candle, and we have a breakout and price come retest it once and it has broken that structure. That structure is broken. Today candle broke the structure. In fact, it first broke up the structure, the next candle came and retested it. So this is a continuous buy. So put your sell order at 2,711. You will see a rain and you will come back and thank Xavi FS Hub. We are specialists in market structure. We are specialists in market structure. So what we see here is a potential upswing or downswing, and the upswing is based on that market has broken this structure. So market might still come down here to this level at 95 and shoot up to 2,711 before it can make its way down to 150 pip again. So this is possible. Yes, this is possible. But my ultimate sell zone, where I wait as an institutional trader, is to wait for this level 2,748 into 56. These are areas of potential sell zone where you will stay. And if you are a hedge fund, if you are a heavy equity trader, this is where I expect you to stay. Don't gamble with your investors' fund. Hmm? I know some of you want to tell somebody you'll double his money. Here at Xavi FSR, we will never solicit, we will never beg you for anything. Can never beg you for anything here. And I cannot chat you and I cannot call you, I cannot talk to you. So it's not arrogance, it is because we understand the structure and we stick to the little we are doing and we are okay. So this is what I want to say. I will never chat you, I will never text you, I will never ask you for account management, and I will never charge you money for trade idea. Our trade ideas remains free. Shabby FS Hub.